we've always been a church that has wanted to reach unchurched people. We wanted to find a place that was not traditional. There's a law here in Oklahoma that a bar cannot be within 300 feet of a church or school. So we created an event venue. It's right in line with who we are because we see our building open 7 days a week being used by the community. We have a coffee shop that's coming in to our facility as well. There's a story in John chapter 4 about the woman who went to the well, and it was there that she met Jesus and they had a conversation that changed her life. And we believe that this facility is going to be a place where lives are changed. Jonathan and his team came to our Mustang location and did an incredible job there. Our staff and our team were really impressed with him and with his team. We decided that across campuses we wanted to use sound in church.
So I'm excited about working with The Bridge for a few different reasons. Our history goes back quite a few years. The guys are incredible. Their hearts for the community are unbelievable. And that's what's outstanding about this downtown venue. They bought a sweet building in an awesome location. They're gonna outfit it with a coffee shop, and it's gonna be a place where people can go and I think find more than what they were even looking for.
We're just excited that we're in an area of our city that people want to come to, but not only that, but when they get here we have incredible sound, incredible lighting, incredible projection. It's going to help us to present the gospel and kind of tap into all five senses while they're here.
Sound in Church is honored to be a part of the production details here at The Bridge, downtown OKC. Really happy for you guys. Congratulations.
Affirmation of knowing that it was God's voice who called you out, that it was Him who spoke to you. And when we step out in obedience, we trust Him, amazing things happen.